Okay, I got a little more comfortable. I just finished my own workout. And now we're going to help you get your workout a little quicker. We're going to talk about how to set up our squat rack for barbell squats next. This is going to be, again, one of your major lifts. And setting it up correctly will help you get on a smoother path to progression and to getting better. So let's talk about setting up the squat rack. So in the last video, we talked about the different components of the squat rack. And as you see, I've got a barbell. The barbell is the nice long weight loading component that you'll have as your gym. And I've got the barbell setting between my two J cups. So there are my J cups. It's setting in place. Applying any pressure down, it's not going to go anywhere. Now when we're setting up for a barbell squat, and in this case, I'll be showing a back squat, so where the bar is sitting across the backs of my shoulders. We're going to set the barbell, you want to set it up to your height, okay? So everyone's going to be different where it's at. In my case, and in your case as well, we're going to set it up at shoulder level, okay? We don't want to set it up too high because we never want to have to get on our tiptoes to unrack the weight. That's not very safe. It's taking extra energy to get into position when we could just adjust it to the proper height, save the energy, save the safety, and take care of yourself. So in this scenario, let me take the bar off real quick. And so basically, I take my J cups wherever they may be on the rack. You can step up to the rack and kind of find out where you're going to be at. And then you want that bottom part of the J cup, okay, to run in to those shoulders, okay? That's going to get you set up at the right height for when we go into our barbell squats, whatever they may be. So then once we get the J cups to the right height, we'll load our barbell or whatever bar you might be using up on those racks, and now we've made sure that bad boy is set up correctly. Okay, up next, what you'll want to do then is to set your safeties in place. So mine are a little low here, but again, my safety arms that go on the outside of the cage, I'll set them up to where as I would squat down, if I ever need to set the bar down on there, they're only going to be a few inches from the depth I get to. So if my depth were to be, let's set it up high so you kind of see. I know I'm on a high tripod. So let's say this is as deep as I can go. Right there is where I want my spotter arms. I can just fall forward, set it on top of the spotter arms, and I'd be safe. So that is the setup of bar position for the back squat. The only thing else you'll really need to know as far as setup goes would be loading and unloading of the weight to the barbell. And that's fairly simple, okay? So with the, let's see, can we see? Okay, kind of, we'll go to the side. So with the weight in hand, we'll just slide over the top until we make full contact with the end of the barbell. You'll take a clip, in this case I got a little lockjaw clip, and I'm just going to slide it all the way until it makes contact. I'm going to close it tight, that weight is secure, and now I'm ready to squat. I'll make sure that I put equal amount of weight on the opposite side of the bar, and then you're ready to rock and roll. You can unrack, do your squats, re-rack, and hopefully you're making some progress. So that's just a simple way to set up for a barbell squat and the kind of height that you want to see.